Okay, so I just switched on this space engine, and I'm just going to go anywhere, and I'm going to just test a thought concept that I had. Going to intergalactic space. All right. Now, we all know it's important where to look to get the right objects, but my theory here is quite adaptable. It's about the fact that, let's say, space is, it's not material, it's not science. And all the galaxies around here are physical, light, meaning it's, well, science. So, in terms of there being no real spatial pulse, in these galaxies, within them, I'm just going to go with my theory. I just thought it out for about half an hour ago. And I'm going to try to just state that space can be physical, it can become science. And all you really need to do is to go from space as zero to a physical value, where the space actually becomes a standard unit of measure, of, let's say, 1. And let's suppose now that, let's see, let's pick a galaxy so I can keep on describing. An irregular galaxy. These are getting on my nerves, but anyway. That space could actually become the motivator for the physical reality, to have a higher value than the space has, and in such a way to prove that light or galaxy light and stars are actually reality value stated twice. Because the change from space to be motivated to physical value can only be done when this is just a blue main sequence, no planets there. What it becomes is the fact that it's dual nature. Well, this one has heaps of asteroids. Actually, only asteroids, no orbits. I'll check orbit. There we go. The thing about the dual thing is that when it becomes dual, it can sustain more usage of it. So in that way, you can get up to, let's say, the cloud is 1. Move into the cloud. We have 2, and within the cloud we have planets. Let's say the stars are number 2, planets number 3, and anything thereof is something galaxies have to sustain, the ability to repeat counts to get more and more physical. So let's say we have 33, and let's say we have stellar 2. So stellar 2 is already doubled to 4, and planetary from 4 is the next stage 5 doubles to 10. Right? Now we just worked out a new system of the 10 multiple from a derivation of space as having no physical value. Anyway, where am I going with this theory? Well, I'm trying to explore any influence on my options. You know, you heard something like called destiny, and you think, alright, I know what I'm doing, I'm going to pick a galaxy and I'm going to get lucky. Well, here you go in life. Another irregular galaxy. This one seems to be browner though than most of the other ones. Not really interesting. These clouds seem to be a common unit of 10 because they're diffuse and irregular. Alright, here's a galaxy. RG irregular. And let's get lucky. Alright, let's suppose we just moved from a 10 unit to another galaxy and double that, so it's now 20. And the interstellar space is 40. If you remember, we double the duality of dark space. And the planets have to be, let's see, double 40 is 80. In this way, we have only observed 2 or 3 star systems, so it actually might be even higher value, but let's suppose we just watched 2 of them, and 2 galaxies, and 2 planetary systems. Next one will be 80, right? And as multiplied by 2, 160. Where am I going with all this? Well, 160 times 2 is 320. Let's pick a star for that one. Let's just focus on 320. Blue supergiant. Let's check that one. There we have 320 multiplied by 2. Alright, so what we've figured out is just a basic way to keep records of where we've been compared to space, which has no value, which has now become higher and higher and higher, multiplying itself continuously by 2, which means we go. It's like gravity. Well, this is actually nice. Here we go. Something. There's the kind of objects I think are, you know, destiny bound. Because it's a nice blue. You know, nice blue supergiant. Alright. That's probably the best we can get for now, and figured out the dark matter, or its gravity, of those multiples. So, I mean, if you want to go out of space right now with those values, you got something to look forward to. I mean, there's some real values there. Even if space doesn't have any beginning and it's all expansion outwards, and you don't know where to go. So these will just be a couple of pointers for you along the way.